Carvey is a new kind of 3D machine for making real objects out of real materials. We call it a 3D carver. Everyone has killer ideas. We've all seen things and thought, I can make that better, or higher quality, or I could just make it myself. We want you to be able to make it. That's why we created Carvey. We want you to be able to go from idea to finished product in under 5 minutes. So we broke it down into 3 easy steps. First, make your design. Design software can be hard to use, so we made Easel. It's easy to use, and it runs in your browser. The next step is to choose your material. Woods, plastics, soft metals like aluminum, even circuit boards. Pick whatever inspires you. The last step is, no matter what kind of maker you are, you click Carve, and it makes it.
Being able to design in a program and have that same program connect to the machine, just beyond amazing.
The steps involved has been cut down to near nothing. Now the idea is the focus.
We wanted it to be as beautiful as it is functional. So we reached out to Scott Wilson and his team of designers at Minimal.
People need to be able to jump in and use it and quit thinking about the tool so much and think about what they're trying to do.
Today, we finally have a prototype that we love. It's beautiful, it's quiet, it's clean, and it sits neatly on a desktop. But most importantly, it works great. When we started this Carvey project, we had 2 goals. The first was to make a machine that was quieter, cleaner, and far easier to use. And we've done that. The second was to bring the machine to the world at an affordable price. And that's why we've come to Kickstarter. With your help, we can order materials and components at scale and start the manufacturing process. So here's the thing. Your support for Carvey marks the start of something really special. It's a new kind of industrial revolution where people like me and you can dream, design, and manufacture the products that we've all imagined. What's your idea? What do you want to make? Join us and make your mark.
Hello, I'm Andreas, the founder of this new startup. As an active surfer and mountain biker, I've always been fascinated by ideas which combine technology and design with sports. It's been the inspiration behind the companies I founded in the past. Our team worked for premium car brands, and we developed visionary strategies for connected cars. Whenever I look down at my handlebars, it seemed that there's something wrong. A bike computer, my iPhone, the light and the fog switcher. It wasn't an integrated and connected experience. It wasn't beautiful.
So far, we haven't seen an interface that matches the needs of the modern cyclist. So we started from scratch, defining the perfect look and feel, celebrating the huge and colorful smartphone screens to match your lifestyle and your bike.
We set out to design a more elegant way to connect the workings of your bike with everything else which is important to the ride experience. And we called it Kobe.
Our product is about the next level in bike mobility. The idea of putting your phone in the perfect spot in your bike and connecting it to all the other components around it opens up so many possibilities. The dynamic lighting works all day and night. It increases your safety and it saves a lot of energy. The perfect lighting for each situation.
We don't just want to design another app, we want to create the world's smartest connected biking system.
E-bike support activated.
Your favorite music and friends. Kobe puts everything you love at your fingertips. It even automates the e-bike drive system for a much smoother ride. Other apps and manufacturers can take this into entirely new dimensions.
We already have working prototypes and most of the development is done. We need your support to fund the production and set up the supply chain. We want to bring it to you in the second quarter of 2015. Let's do that together for Kobe.
We love golf, but most of us can't get out there enough. We can't practice as much as we'd like, and for beginners, golf can be very intimidating. What if we could play and practice anytime, anywhere? Hi, I'm Jay Yang of You Like Creative, the developer of Tittle Golf, a compact, lightweight device that you can snap onto your club. And it analyzes your swing and gives you instant feedback. I'm here with Ryan Jones of True Golf, the creators of E6 Golf software.
Like many of you, when I first started playing, I hit thousands of balls into a net set up in my backyard. It was frustrating because I couldn't get any feedback as to where the ball was flying and what I might be doing right or wrong. It just was not very fun. And now with Tittle and E6 Simulator, you can improve your game and have fun at the same time.
Back in 2015, we ran a successful Kickstarter campaign to launch the Tittle device. Now we've returned to take it a step further and integrate it with a state-of-the-art 3D golf software.
E6 software works with Tittle to bring lifelike 3D simulated golf to everyone in the comfort of their own home or office.
Until now, home 3D golf simulators could cost upwards of $50,000. In place of an expensive launch monitor, the affordable Tittle device can wirelessly relay swing data to the E6 simulator software.
Once E6 receives Tittle swing data, it renders an image of the ball flight within the E6 software.
Our team has spent over 2 years developing and testing Tittle for savvy golf enthusiasts.
What Tittle does for me is efficiently improve my game in ways I could have never otherwise. I was lucky enough to test the Tittle prototype, and I can say, from many years of playing, that whether you're an experienced golfer or just a beginner, this system will dramatically improve your game. I'm a father and I spend many hours at the office. I just don't have time to be on the course. But when I'm home, I love the fact that my family and I can have fun playing golf together.
In fact, Tittle was invented by a father who wanted to teach his son how to play golf. Once he saw how this device improved his son's game, he decided to share it with the world.
And with the launch of E6 Cloud and a low-cost device like the Tittle, we can make golf accessible to everyone.
Our initial Kickstarter campaign helped us perfect the Tittle hardware. We now need your help so we can better integrate the 3D simulator with the Tittle device. We're approaching the 18th hole.
With your help, we can hit the 19th.
Please help us get there by supporting and sharing our campaign with your friends, family, and all the golf enthusiasts out there.
Thank you.
I'm Philip McAleese.
And I'm Irene McAleese. We're co-founders of C-Sense,
the company that brought you the world's first intelligent bicycle light. It received excellent reviews and is used by thousands of cyclists around the world.
Now we're taking things to a whole new level with the launch of C-Sense Icon. Icon, an intelligent and connected light. It turns your bike into a connected bike. It looks like a typical bike light, but Icon is a lot more. Use your phone to take control. Change the brightness runtime ratio. Switch on multiple icons at once and add new features with Bluetooth firmware updates. Imagine you're at your favorite coffee stop and your trusty bike is outside. Icon will send an alert if anything or anyone disturbs it. If you have a crash, Icon notes your location and sends an alert for help. Icon's advanced sensor technology monitors your environment. It's the only bike light that can react to roundabouts, road junctions, and approaching car headlights at night, increasing its brightness and flash rates at times you most need to be seen. Icon is designed specifically for daylight visibility, just like car lights. It has super bright twin Cree LEDs and an impressive runtime. Most riders will only need to charge it once a week. Its advanced optics are designed to give you excellent focused and side illumination.
We've already delivered one successful Kickstarter campaign. Now, with your pledge, we can bring you new features and capabilities to your Icon.
Additionally, this opens up the possibility of using data collected by cyclists to improve our cities for everyone.
Back us now, and you'll receive Icon at a significant discount.
So please, help C-Sense bring you Icon and help us ignite a cycling revolution for everyone.